Hey, it's nicholi rogatkin with my new signature frame, the Diamondback Slingshot. Why am I talking like this? Hey, it's nicholi rogatkin with my new signature frame, the Diamondback Slingshot. It was great how Diamondback worked with me on design to make riding much easier and more fun. It's awesome. 19.5-inch top tube and less than 5 pounds. It might look rad to some riders because the top tube is so low, but many riders have to saw down their seat post to make sure their seats are low. On this frame, you don't have to worry about that. Also, when you're doing tricks like whips, the bike passes under you much better. This frame also has a very short back end, which combines with the low frame to make progression faster and again, more fun. I'm sure many more frames will be looking like this in the future. Most of my bike is very similar to any other bike out there, but one thing that I want to point out is this KHE bottom bracket bushing. I used to use bearings for my bottom bracket, but this bushing doesn't have any bearings. What I like about it is that I used to have to put rubber between my sprocket and my frame, like a grip or a tire, but with this bushing, you don't have to worry about that, and your cranks will stay in place when you do no-footed tricks. Another thing that I want to point out is this KHE Surse fork. I don't have to say much about the fork, because everyone knows it's one of the best out there. But one thing that I did for my preference is made the dropouts shorter, for quicker response and for bar spins when I spin my bars so that the front wheel wouldn't move from front to back as much. It's all good, man! So here's my new complete. I put it together a couple of weeks ago and tested it out at Masters of Dirt in Vienna. Most of the front end is KHE, Surse bars, FX stems, Surse forks, 1.5 Mac tire, Astral hub, 32-hole rim, and DT Swiss spokes. I run the Diamondback team grips and brakes. Yeah, I still have brakes. I have KHE Pluma seat, and I have the Diamondback plastic pedals. They just came out and they're really nice and light. 165 profile cranks, 25 tooth KHE sprocket and bottom bracket bushing, 1.5 Mac tire in the back also, and 9 tooth profile back hub. The bike is just under 20 pounds, and everything about it, the setup, the weight, and the color, I just like it all. My new footage. Oh man. Yeah, I kind of missed it at the end, so I think I'm going to retake that real quick, you know. Very much. Dude, this bike's mad awesome. Wait. You ruined it. When you're doing tricks like, shut up. Oh, it's back to the future, people. Damn. KHE Surse. Another part that I ride on my bike is the KHE Surse fork. It's great. Oh man, it's still playing. Oh man, I don't like when that happens.